Deep learning, the neural network layer. Welcome. In this video, we'll explore deep learning, with a special focus on the neural network layer. We'll break down how layers work, why they matter, and how they help machines learn from data, step by step, in a simple and intuitive way. What is deep learning? Deep learning is a powerful branch of machine learning inspired by how the human brain works. Instead of following fixed rules, deep learning models learn patterns directly from large amounts of data. This approach is what makes modern technologies like image recognition, speech assistance, and recommendation systems possible. What is a neural network? A neural network is a computational model made up of small processing units called neurons. Each neuron performs a simple mathematical operation. When many neurons are connected together, they can solve complex problems by learning from examples. Structure of a neural network. A neural network is organized into layers. The input layer receives raw data, such as images or numbers. The hidden layers process and learn patterns from this data. Finally, the output layer produces the prediction, such as a label, decision, or value. What is a neural network layer? A neural network layer is simply a group of neurons working together. Each layer transforms the input it receives into a more meaningful representation. As data moves through multiple layers, the network gradually learns more complex features. Neuron operation inside a layer. Inside a layer, each neuron multiplies inputs by weights, adds a bias, and then applies an activation function. This output is passed to the next layer. Although this calculation is simple, repeating it across many neurons and layers creates powerful learning capability. Common types of layers. There are different types of layers for different tasks. Dense layers connect every neuron to the next layer. Convolutional layers are used for image processing. Recurrent layers handle sequences like text or time series data. Dropout layers help prevent overfitting. Activation functions in layers. Activation functions introduce nonlinearity into the network. Without them, deep learning models wouldn't be very powerful. Popular activation functions include ReLU, Sigmod, Tang, and softmax. These functions help the network learn complex, real-world relationships. Why multiple layers matter? Multiple layers are what make deep learning truly deep. Early layers learn simple features, like edges or shapes. Deeper layers learn complex patterns, such as faces or objects. This layered learning approach is used in advanced models like CNNs and transformers. Real-world applications. Neural network layers power many real-world applications. From facial recognition and voice assistance to language translation, medical diagnosis, and self-driving cars, deep learning is transforming how machines understand and interact with the world.